What's up, guys? I've just found the weirdest thing ever. Birds with arms compilation. I really don't know what to think about this. Birds with arms is just not something that I'm used to seeing. I don't know if this is real or not, but let's watch it. Is that an owl? Ew, is that real, guys? Penguin? What? Ew, is this real? Definitely. That doesn't look real. That doesn't look real. This is freaky stuff, man. Why would you have one of those around if it's got arms? It looks like it's got. I think that's fake. That's fake. It's so weird. I know that's fake. That's fake. Yo, I know some aren't meant to have arms, but when they have them, it looks natural, doesn't it? That's not real. That is cute bird though. I'd love to have a bird. And it just lands on your finger. Then you stroke it and you just send it back into the air. That's just not even funny. That's just obviously fake. What is that? What kind of beast is that? Is that a real? What is it? Drop in the comments what it is. These just aren't real. You can clearly tell. That's a buff owl. Yeah, owls are kind of like, a lot of people like owls, but they seem very dangerous animals. Parrot, I think. Oh, on some I think they've added like arms to go along with their like movements. So silly. So cool. I hate those kind of birds. Are they like emus or something? They're just weird. I would not want to come up against one of those. It's disgusting. Is that a snake? No mercy. Oh man. That was so sick, man. I don't think the birds even. I feel like some of them are real, but I think most are fake. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what that bird I asked about was in the middle of the video. Peace out.